Okay, so I couldn't get the demo mode to show the video that it did when I first installed the TV, the Vizio TV. So I'm still not sure if I'm going to keep the TV, but anyway, I'm going to do a sound test here. I actually found this, or someone had it. Someone of my family had it just laying around. It's called ZVOX. ZVOX AV157. I think that's what it's called, or AT157. I was gonna go get a Vizio soundbar, but what I'm gonna do is just hook this one up and test it out, and then maybe I won't go get that soundbar. This thing's been laying around for like over a year or two, and no one used it. Brand new. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is do a before and after testing. I tried to get the demo video to work so I could keep it consistent, but I'm just gonna have to use this news channel for now. That I'm hoping is not copyright. So that's what this device is. I think I can plug it into the audio out in the back. So, and I'll see what it sounds like. Right now, the volume is just on 20. Let me see. So it's on 20. I'm just going to leave it on 20 right now. So, and I'm just recording with my, like I said, Samsung phone right now. So next video, it'll be a testing. So this is testing without the ZVOX soundbar installed. And then it is going to feel, again, even chillier. We've got wind chill temperatures in the teens, even at the with your Spectrum News in 90. Okay, so I figured it out. All I had to do was hook up the controller that came with the soundbar. So I pressed the input button. Now listen, this is testing with it on, and I'll use the volumes to go up and down.
Tasks for Congress before Republicans take over the House in January. Customs and Border Protection has a cold warning for migrants. Stay away. The agency put out a video urging people not to try to cross the southern border. They say below freezing temperatures over the next several days will make entry to the U.S. extremely treacherous.
And now I'm mostly hearing it through the TV. But when I turn it up,
is causing a backlog along the Texas
once it gets to around, if you look down here,
earlier this year, similar inspections caused truck
down, it's mostly coming from the TV. When I turn up past 10, listen.
Meteorologist Emily Borchard, still below freezing tonight, and it's a hard freeze, teens and 20s, but winds are lighter, so we're not concerned about dangerous wind chills. We will not be feeling.
And now you hear it through the device down there.
We're above freezing, closer to 40 degrees, sunshine.
It works. I'm still curious what the Vizio would sound like. So do I want to go buy the Vizio right now? I'm not sure. Let me turn to a movie and then I'll listen to it myself. But everything's going to be copied right over there. Turn it up.
Another hard freeze in store for Texans all across the state as this Arctic front sticks around through our holiday weekend. Good evening, everyone. I'm Victor Diaz.
That's the test of this device. Okay, so my quick review based on the test that I just did. I'm thinking I still want to go buy the Vizio just based on what I heard when I was in the store testing out some of the Vizio devices. This one here, like what it sounds like is that, again, you saw when I increased the volume above level 10, I don't know what that means, that's not GB10 maybe? When I increased it above 10, it seems like the audio shifted from the TV and then through the device. Anything below 10 seems like it was coming to the TV, and maybe my TV volume should have been down all the way. In fact, let me test that real quick. So I'm going up. See, now it's through there, but I'm going to turn down the TV volume to 0. Okay. Now let's go down. Okay, so now it's not shifting. But even then, so it's only coming through the device down there.
freezing temperatures. Into Monday, Tuesday, not quite as cold, not teens and 20s, maybe closer to
I don't know if you
30
can
degrees
tell
there.
if I move
but
around.
even down through South Texas, Austin, San Antonio, down into the Rio Grande Valley, Houston, Beaumont, and even into El Paso, it will still be below
So
freezing.
let me turn it down.
With these morning temperatures.
This is my end review of this, and why I want to get the Vizio and test that out. It honestly, it doesn't sound like surround at all. That's you. I don't know if you can hear it through this phone, but it doesn't sound like surround sound at all. I don't know if I can recommend it. If you want something louder, I'll recommend it. For surround sound, no, it doesn't sound like surround at all. It sounds like the volume of the TV is amplified and it's just coming at me forward. Like I'm not hearing anything, on the sounds or even upward, or like it doesn't sound like it's it's bouncing off the walls through the room or anything like that. My door is closed. It honestly sounds like it's just coming. It's like it's amplified sound from the TV, but it's coming straight at me. Yeah, I can hear the greater sort of the bass tone and things like that, but it doesn't sound surround. At least what I'm used to for surround sound over the years. So that's my honest quick review of this. I probably am going to go buy the Vizio. It's 5:07 now. It's freezing everywhere. I'm going to have a trench coat. So I want to get the Sonic movie too. It's just like I'm trying to it's like I'm nonstop working here and there. It's like trying to figure things out right now. So, and I'm still not sure if I want to keep this Vizio TV. I'm trying to find a Roku box right now that doesn't have the voice remote installed, which are the 2019 version below, but I don't think those get 4K. So yeah, just a lot going on right now. But that's my quick test I wanted to show. I don't know. I may install this in the other room in there, because that can be done. But I don't want to use this for my TV. It just sounds like it's amplified sound coming at me. But some of the Vizios that I heard in the store, now I didn't get to test the Vizio that I want to buy. That it's the flat long one, but the other Vizios that they did have that have the what are they called, the subwoofers, or those sounded like amazing. I'm not getting those. I'm just getting a little soundbar by itself. But even based on videos that I saw online, I think the longer Vizio soundbar is going to be better. This one, like I said, it just seems like it's aimed. There's nothing on the, like the Vizio is like, it's like a, forget what the shape is called. Not a triangle. Starts with a P. Can't think right now. A gram. It's in my head. Can't think right now. But the one in the store is like this diamond shape. Not a triangle. Dude, it's on the tip of my tongue. Starts with a P. The shape I'm thinking of. But it's like longer and it's sort of like that pyramid shape, but it's flat on the top. But that's the one I'm thinking about. I don't know the name of it right now, but it's the M series soundbar. So that's what I think I'm gonna go buy and test out next. Anyway, because I think it will give me more of that surround sound effect based on what it sounds like. This is good if you want to amplify the sound. You want it coming straight forward at you, but I'm not hearing surround sound. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Okay, so hold on a second. There's something here that says surround. There's a surround button. Let's test out the AccuVoice. Hold on, let's turn it up.
All right, good luck to everyone in their travel adventures. Stay with us.
To
More
18.
Spectrum news and coverage of this Arctic blast coming your way after this.
Let me turn down the volume on the TV. So now it's only coming through down here. AccuVoice. There's a 2.
Watch live news on the go from your team at Spectrum News 1 with the new Spectrum News app. Your all-in-one destination for local news, weather forecasts, and events. The new Spectrum News app, your community connection.
Turn down volume. So that seems to be increasing just the volume, the AccuVoice. So turn back to 1, that's fine. I'll leave AccuVoice on 1. But that's, I think, for people who like can't hear dialogue is difficult to hear and just on TVs in general anyway. So right now I have it set to 15. That's what's going on. Yeah, I was changed to the AccuVoices and there's a 2. Let me turn this down because it gets loud. 2, 3 louder, 4 is louder, 5. So it goes to 6. So I'm gonna leave that on 1. Let me turn this up. 14 and press surround.
Brandon Thomas Subaru, a proud member of the Thomas Auto Group, is committed to bringing you an outstanding selection of new Subaru vehicles and investing in the people that make McKinney great. And during the Subaru Share the Love event, when you purchase or lease a new Subaru, we will...
Yeah, I'm still not hearing any good surround.
Your choosing. Make your next purchase count for more.
So I may go get the Vizio.
Subaru and the Thomas Auto Group in McKinney, home of the
Put on my trench coat. I'm not hearing good surround.
No nonsense for small businesses.
1,
Everything
nothing.
you need,
2.
nothing you don't. You need speed. Spectrum delivers the fastest internet speeds in the nation.
Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. The sound's definitely better. But yeah, even with the surround sound button, I just saw it on the controller, but I just tested it. I didn't really hear any surround. But there you go. Again, thanks for watching. Okay, so really quick before my phone cuts off again from recording because I run out of memory on this phone. Anyway, I had recorded a video where I was showing like Law and Order. I think I only got like a 10-second extra clip that I recorded. I accidentally deleted it. I recorded a few days ago when I set this up here. Just testing out the volume. So this is something different here. Unfortunately, like I said, I accidentally deleted the video, testing out the audio. But here it is right here. I did the best surround settings. It was not really surround, but the best settings that I could do on it. And so let me turn up the volume.
They say Horus's eyes are kept there. He will have his power again.
Steals from a god. Only a madman would try such a thing.
Where do you suppose we could find someone so mad?
See how loud it
The
gets.
plans should be here. As you
Yeah.
built the vault, he sets architect.
So there you go. Just showing that how loud it gets. To set up in the spare room, here's what I did. So this is another spare room, sort of a work room, but no one really stays in. And yeah, so I hooked up just TV wasn't working for like over a year. No one's had like cable in here, so I hooked up the cable and everything, hooked the TV up again, and I just put the spare ZVOX there. So there you go. And the TV volume is all the way down, but I have this volume for the speaker, the ZVOX speaker. That's what I'm using to control volume now. Anyway.
In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.